Hi, and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to show you how to use the meeting notes template in Microsoft OneNote. So by the end of this video, you should have a meeting notes document that looks like this. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. So here I am in Microsoft OneNote. And it's important to note that I am using the desktop version of this and not the online version. The online version does not have the same templates as the desktop version does. So if I go up to Insert and I go over here to Page Templates, I'm going to select Page Templates right here. And I can see that there's various categories for my templates. So I'm going to click the drop down here for Business and go to Simple Meeting Notes 1. You can also look at some of these other meeting notes and see which ones fit your case the best. But for now, we're going to use Simple Meeting Notes 1. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. And now I can go here and I can type a meeting title. I can put my agenda down here. I can include the people who showed up for the meeting and any kind of action items over here. So you can see that it's very easy to use the built-in templates given to you by Microsoft OneNote. Now we go over some of these other templates and other things that you can do with the Microsoft OneNote templates out on our blog, and I'm going to include a link to that blog entry in the description below on YouTube if you would like to go there and learn more. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for us and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.